fusion bonded epoxy repair. Kit provided by Rovanco. Tools you will need. This video demonstrates how to repair damage such as this in a pipe's epoxy coating. Grind around the damaged area to clean metal. Remove any residue. Using a propane torch, heat up area to be repaired. Heat the repair stick until it melts and fills the damaged area. Apply enough material to achieve the specified thickness. Allow repair epoxy to cool to the touch. Apply the provided high-temp black coating to the repair epoxy and the surrounding area.